Thailand is also known as the Land of Smiles because of the friendly and welcoming nature of its people. Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, is known for its vibrant street life, bustling markets, and ornate temples. Thai cuisine is famous for its bold flavors, exotic ingredients, and balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. The national dish of Thailand is Pad Thai, a stir-fried noodle dish with shrimp, tofu, eggs, and peanuts. Thailand is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, such as Phuket, Krabi, and Koh Samui. The country is known for its stunning temples, including the Grand Palace in Bangkok and Wat Pho with its giant reclining Buddha. Thailand is the only country in Southeast Asia that was never colonized by a European power. The Thai New Year, known as Songkran, is celebrated in April with water fights and traditional ceremonies. Thailand is a Buddhist majority country, with over 90% of the population adhering to Theravada Buddhism. The traditional Thai greeting is the Y, where a person places their palms together in a prayer-like gesture. Muay Thai, or Thai boxing, is a popular combat sport in Thailand known for its powerful strikes and use of elbows and knees. The monarchy is highly respected in Thailand, with images of the king and queen displayed prominently throughout the country. Thailand has a tropical climate, with hot and humid weather year-round, especially in the southern region. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional art forms such as dance, music, and puppetry still practiced today. Thai silk is a highly prized textile made from the cocoons of silkworms and is known for its intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Elephants are a symbol of Thailand and can be found in conservation parks and sanctuaries throughout the country. The Thai alphabet is unique and is derived from ancient Khmer script, with 44 consonants and 32 vowels. The national flower of Thailand is the orchid, which symbolizes love, beauty, and luxury. Thai massage is a traditional healing art that combines acupressure, yoga, and Ayurvedic principles to promote relaxation and wellness. Thailand is known for its festivals, including Loi Krathong, where people float decorated baskets on rivers to honor the water spirits. The floating markets of Thailand, such as Damnon Saduak and Amphoa, are popular tourist attractions where vendors sell goods from boats. The hill tribes of northern Thailand, such as the Karen, Aka, and Lisu, have distinct cultures and traditions that differ from mainstream Thai society. The ruins of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a testament to the former glory of the ancient Thai kingdom. Thailand is one of the world's largest producers of rice, with rice paddies covering large areas of the countryside. The Thai language is tonal, with 5 different tones that can change the meaning of a word. The Bangkok mass transit system, known as the BTS or Skitran, is a popular way to navigate the city's congested streets. Thai people often use nicknames, or, in addition to their given names, which are usually given to them by family members. Thailand is a popular destination for medical tourism, with state-of-the-art hospitals offering a range of medical procedures at a fraction of the cost in Western countries. Monks play a central role in Thai society, with many young men spending time as monks to gain merit and education before returning to secular life. The traditional dress of Thailand is the sarong, a wraparound skirt worn by both men and women, often made from silk or cotton. The Thai education system is highly competitive, with students taking exams to enter prestigious universities and land high-paying jobs. The Phi Ta Khon Festival in Loei Province is a colorful event where participants dress in ghostly costumes and masks to ward off evil spirits. Thailand has a rich tradition of puppetry, with intricate shadow puppets and wooden marionettes used to tell stories and entertain audiences. The Thai economy is heavily dependent on tourism, with millions of visitors coming to the country each year to explore its beaches, temples, and vibrant cities. The national sport of Thailand is Sepak Takraw, a form of volleyball played with a woven rattan ball and feet, head, and knees. Thailand is known for its street food culture, with vendors selling everything from grilled meats and seafood to noodles and desserts on sidewalks and in night markets. The island of Koh Phi Phi was made famous by the movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, and has since become a popular tourist destination. Thailand is home to several endangered species, including tigers, elephants, and pangolins, which are protected in national parks and wildlife reserves. The Thai monarchy traces its origins to the ancient kingdom of Sukhothai, which was the first independent Thai state founded in the 13th century. The Thai judicial system is based on civil law, with judges appointed by the king and a system of lower and appellate courts to hear cases. Thailand is a popular destination for expatriates, with many foreigners living in cities like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket for work or retirement. Songkran, the Thai New Year, is also known as the Water Festival, where people splash water on each other to wash away bad luck and welcome the new year. Thailand has a unique calendar system based on the Buddhist era, with the year 2565 starting in 2022. The Phi Phi Islands, located in the Andaman Sea, are known for their crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and limestone cliffs popular for rock climbing. Thai desserts are known for their intricate designs and use of tropical fruits such as mango, coconut, and durian. The Emerald Buddha, housed in Wat Phra Kaew in Bangkok, is considered the most sacred statue in Thailand and is a symbol of royal power and protection. Thailand is home to the world's largest golden Buddha statue, located at Wat Phra in Bangkok, which weighs over 5 tons and is made of solid gold. Krabi Province is famous for its limestone karsts, mangrove forests, and picturesque beaches, such as Rai Beach and Ao Nang. Thailand is known for its vibrant nightlife, with bustling bars, clubs, and night markets offering entertainment late into the night. The Thai government is a constitutional monarchy, with a king serving as the head of state and a prime minister leading the government. The Jim Thompson House in Bangkok is a museum dedicated to the American expatriate who revitalized the Thai silk industry and mysteriously disappeared in the 1960s. Thailand is a popular destination for digital nomads, with co-working spaces, affordable living costs, and a vibrant expat community. The Chao Phraya River runs through Bangkok and is a major transportation artery for the city, with water taxis and ferries operating along its banks. Thai classical dance, known as Khan, is a highly stylized art form that tells stories from Hindu epics and royal court life.